Hello everyone. So good afternoon everyone. Once again welcome back to my channel Learn English with Kala. Yes guys, I'm back. I was thinking that I will not upload any video on my channel. I was thinking that nothing is happening and it takes too much time to make video and edit and then upload that video on channel. It takes too much time. That's why I want to stop making videos habit, but it has become my habit. So that's why whenever I feel free, I try to make a video, and that's why I'm making this video. Actually, I was reading, you can see guys, you can see this is my book. I was reading the book, and while reading the book I thought about my this work that I used to make videos a lot every day. So I thought let's create a video. Let's talk about our work, our habit, our desire, our passion, our will. So what happens sometimes we want to do so many work at once time. Actually that is not possible. We can't do so many work at one time. We all want to go high. We all want to go ahead from where we are in this present time. We want to run, but with that things we need to understand that we don't need to run after anyone. Just decide one thing, do one thing, focus, maintain your 100% focus only on that one work, and whatever we want to do, those things will automatically happen. So I think we should focus on only one thing at one time. We don't need to focus on so many things. We can't do so many things at one time. So we can do one work perfectly with perfection. So we should do only one work. So this time my exam is around the corner. I was reading, I am preparing. So I was reading, but yes, this is also my responsibilities to make a video. To I don't want to show my ability to all of you. I just want to continue this habit. I make video, and while doing video I do my English speaking practice, so that is enough. Actually it is maintaining my habit. It is maintaining my daily routine. And yes, I'm feeling great. I feel great when I make video, when I do English speaking practice. So I am just doing my practice here. I don't think that you will get to learn so many things from this video. If you are watching this video, then definitely I can say that you also want to do something. You also want to learn something new about English language. So if you are new here, then let me know. I will add something new. I will add something special on my speaking. Otherwise, I'm just doing my practice. I'm thinking that there is no one who will listen to me. But this is negative thought. I can say that. Yeah, guys, this was the thing that I wanted to share. I don't know what did I say in this video, but I said whatever came into my mind. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Keep watching the video. Keep letting me know what do I need to improve my communication skill, my English journey. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.